Friends, first go to your browser and search for kie.ai. Once you enter the official website, click on Explore AI API. Then scroll down and select Grok. Imagine Video 1.5. After that, click on Get Started and create an account using your Gmail. Once your account is ready, upload the image you want to turn into a video and enter a prompt of your choice. That's it. Grok will automatically create a video for you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like to stay with us.